Make homemade strawberry limeade this summer with just 3 ingredients. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Cane sugar, strawberries, and lime juice is all you need. Start by adding 113 grams of cane sugar and half a cup of water to a small pot. Put over medium heat and whisk until the sugar is completely dissolved. Destem the strawberries and slice them into halves or quarters depending on size. Add into a blender along with a simple syrup and 1 cup of lime juice. You can use fresh squeezed or bottled, either works. Blend until the strawberries are completely blended and there's no chunks. Then pour through a fine mesh strainer to remove the seeds. Transfer the juice to a pitcher and fill with the remaining 4.5 cups of water. Serve over ice and enjoy all summer long. If you want more delicious drink recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.